What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today I want to introduce a company that I don't know if anybody's heard of them or not, but the company is Reversion Raceworks. They sell a plethora of mounting solutions for various types of digital dashes, gauges, things like that for various makes and models of vehicles. And today I'll tell you about the one that I got for my new Holley 7-inch digital dash. I wanted to put it up in the factory location of the gauges that are already in the truck, but I wanted to get rid of the gauges. I didn't want to have something that looked kind of something like this. I wanted something a little bit more clean, a little bit more, I don't know, just a sleek look. So I happened to be perusing through the internet and I found this company online, purchased their dash adapter for a 7-inch gauge that actually bolts directly into where your factory gauges used to go. I don't have it out or anything. I've got a few pictures that I'll post up here in a second. But however, the gauge, the digital dash that I purchased, I got a good deal on it from a friend of mine, so it's secondhand. So I got it, ordered this, put it in. I didn't have to do anything to make this thing fit. It dropped right into place. It bolted right in the back. I didn't have to wallow around any screw holes or anything like that. Very well made piece of product. Let me show you what it looks like inside the truck. So here is the finished product in the truck. This is a 3D printed dash mount. There's four screws that hold the original gauge cluster in place. Take those out, remove your gauge cluster, slide this thing in, run your wiring, and here's what she kind of looks like. So as soon as she'll fire up, there she is, all lit up, working like she's supposed to. The thing just fits in there like it belongs. I love it. Highly recommend this. I know they have options for the 6.86 dash, some of the Tinker dashes that are out there, and I think some AEM for this particular truck. Like I said, they have various mounts for various different vehicles on their website, so I'll be posting links and things to that in the description of the video. But if you're in the market for a dash mount to kind of keep your factory appearing interior, this is the way to go. And there you have it, everyone. Reversion Raceworks. They have a mounting solution for just about anything you can come up with. Give them a call if there's something that's not there on their website that you would possibly need. They may be able to do something with it. Like I said, I'd like to see them come out with something for like the 12-inch Holley dash. I think that would look really cool in these trucks. However, I've got the 7-inch dash, got their Reversion dash mount. It's great, fits in there like it's supposed to be. So if you get a chance, go check them out. I'll post a link to their website and their Instagram page, and I think they probably have a Facebook page as well. I'll have to check and see. But anyway, that's pretty much it. So stay tuned. We got some other projects coming up with the Silverado, some things that I've messed up on in the past, and some things I want to update for the future. So anyway, y'all have a good one. We'll catch y'all next time. Catch you later.